Hi everyone, thanks for watching this video about our paper graph frequency analysis of COVID-19 incidence in the United States. In this work, we first constructed a geographical graph by computing the geodesic distance between 3,142 US counties. The daily confirmed COVID-19 cases for each county are used as graph signals as shown in this image in different colors. The graph signals were then mapped by graph Fourier transform into the frequency domain. We then use graph filter operation to decompose the signals into low pass and high pass frequency components. We then discovered and analyzed the correspondence between graph frequencies and the contagion patterns for each county. Finally, a spatial temporal analysis reveals the migration of the pandemic center from West Coast to East Coast, and also reveals the contagion pattern from localized outbreaks to a cross-country spread. Hope you find this interesting and look forward to meeting you all at the poster session. Thank you.